How to enable disappearing messages in WhatsApp. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable disappearing messages in WhatsApp, a great way to keep your chats more private and clutter-free. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on your device. For iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. First, tap on the individual or group chat where you want to turn on disappearing messages. Tap the name at the top of the screen to open the chat settings. Scroll down and tap on disappearing messages. Choose how long messages should stay before disappearing. Options include 24 hours, 7 days or 90 days. Tap your preferred option and it's activated. You will now see a message in the chat confirming that disappearing messages are turned on. And that's it. This is how you enable disappearing messages on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.